Hi friends, welcome back to Target Bullseye section video. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. That would really help me out. So let's go. So right here we have this 3-tier collapsible shelf. How cute is this, guys? OMG, and it's $5. It is in white and purple. Ooh, I love that purple. So right here, these are craft paper bags. Okay. So this one just says stuff on the front, and it is $5. They also have this one that says laundry. Yeah. And the white, $5. And right here is a storage case. That's what it says. So, under bed storage is 1 count large for $5. And that's the only color I see. Collapsible storage bin right here. It's a 2 count for $5. So you get cream and blue in this one, and you get pink and purple. This is another collapsible storage bin here. It's a large one, and it's $5. Oh yeah, it has it in this cream and that blue. Okay, that's the same one as those. Rotating storage tray for $5. Okay. This cute little wooden box here. It's a wood riser for $5. That's what it's called, a wood riser, $5. It's a wooden caddy for $5. It comes in white, natural wood, and this green. Oh, look at these guys, beauty organizers. They're $5. I absolutely love it. So it comes in white and this pretty purple. They also have these hair mini flat irons, smooth style travel flat irons, and they're $5. Yes, I only see them in purple. A folding tray right here. It is oval, and it is $5. This is a mini desktop waste basket. Huh, how cute is this? And it's $5. It's in this blue, green, and that cream. Let's see. Okay, yes, it's a shower caddy, and it is $5. We have these 2 colors. Oh, shower curtains, guys. Ooh-wee. It's a 70 by 72, and it is $5 as well. They have this one and this one. Good place for college students to come and shop. So right here we have more of these little storage cases. This is a connectable file. This is $3 here. And they have these caddies. It's really, really deep too. It's a supply caddy for $3. They have it in black, clear, white, and that pretty blue-green like this color. Really nice. It's inflatable seat. Maximum weight is 110 pounds. It is $5. It comes in this red, blue, and green. Oh man. Nice little extra seating, and like in your kids' room. Items for the kids over here, and this one is Play Cash. Oh, I used to love this game when I was little. Oh my goodness. You get 80 bills and 40 coins. Amazing. For $3. Sense and Grow. It's a 5-piece set, age 3 and up. So accessory sand tray, space travel. Promotes independent, creative play. Okay. Cute little item here, and it is just $3. A magnetic board, that's what it is. Ooh-wee. I love it. And this is building block game. It is $3. How about this? Oh my goodness, if I had a kid, I'd be going crazy over this stuff. If I had a small kid. Foam puzzle mat, you get 9 for $5. Yes. I used to have one of those that took up the whole floor when my kids was little. They had so much fun on that. Okay, and this right here, it is building block game. Did we just see this one? For $3. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. Created by teachers for kids at home learning. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is a dream here, guys. Oh, I used to have all of this stuff here. It's bringing back so many memories. Oh my goodness. All the flashcards, the addition, numbers, alphabet, phonics, matching. Oh my goodness, sight words. I absolutely love this. Imagine ink, mess-free marker, a little set right there. Oh my goodness. Addition book here. And the alphabet. And these are $3 each. And these cards, they're $1. And these books, let's see if they're $1. Yes, they're $1 as well. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love. Okay, right here is a wireless speaker, and it's $5. This is purple here. Cute color. Oh, look at this. It's in this little frog in blue. Oh my goodness. These are just too cute. Yeah. $5, guys, for these wireless speakers. And right here is a retro phone stand for $5. Okay. It comes in purple and in black. This is the black one here. $3 for these jumbo tumblers, and they have the straw. Okay, the bento box where you can use for salad or whatever. These are really nice, and they're $5. Yes, different layers here. This is a hanging photo holder for $5. How about that? It's over here for $5. Multi-port USB A and wall charger stand, $5. Cute little taper candles. You get 2 for $3 in gold and white, and then all whites. Cute little wet dry pouch bag here, and it is $3. Oh, that's cute. So right here, this is a soap dispenser, and it is $3. They have this, then they have this little set here, the dustpan and the little broom or brush, and they have the spray bottle. They have this little thingy here. This is a what? Soap dispensing brush and a soap dispenser right here. And all of these are $3, guys. So cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. 2-tier trays, and they are $5. Cute little dispenser thingy here for $5. Huh, look like a pumpkin. Okay, they have banners here, and all of these banners are $5. So they have one that says, congratulations. They have an M for Mrs. and Mr. And they have W for welcome. How about that? Another great find. Pretty lanterns here. We have this one. It's $5. And they have the one that's a little bit longer. It's $5 as well. Raised, they're $5. They have this color here and that more natural wood color. These wall signs. Hive rules: be yourself, be grateful, be kind. $3. I love it. They have this one, Honeybee Company. It's $3. And they have this one, the Busy Bee Company. It's $3 as well. Right here, this is cute. It is $5. And then they have this cute little honey pot here, ceramic honey pot, and it is $3. Oh, look at this. Oh, how cute. It's $3. Oh, yeah. Well, I'll tell you, I'm impressed. I have not seen all of these wonderful items. I think they're brand new. I see the young lady putting out some of this stuff this morning. So, yeah, I'm right on time. So this is a floral backdrop, 60 by 48, and it is $5. So we have that one. And we have the gold. Okay, that's the other one was silver, and this one's gold. We also have the arch balloon kit for $5. Right here. Cute little baskets down here. $5. Oh yeah. Best dad ever. This one is $5. Brush holder in pink and green. And they're $3. Little containers, these jar containers. Glass jars, they're $5. Oh yeah. $5, guys. Great deal on those. What are these? Decorative knobs. You get 2 for $3. So we have this one. This one. Let's see. This one. Oh, we have this one. Well, alrighty here. They're $5. These wall tiles. They're size 4x4, and they're $5. We have that pattern. This pattern here. And I think one more pattern. Yes, it's gonna be this one. Okay. One little lap desk, and it is $5. I only see it in black today, but it is amazing. I love it. Oh yes, great. Well, all right, friends, I think we've seen everything that we could see here today at Target in the Bullseye section. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I thank you all, and I'll see you all in the next one.